Previously in our Thailand trip.
Hi guys, so we're going to Thailand with a friend. Hi to the vlog! We're going to Thailand! Thanks to Uncle.
Thailand!
Have kami ng coffee first. Let's go. Let's eat the warmio. The warmio. Bye-bye! See you there, inside. Yun. No. Kailan niya, wow. Don't sing. Sino yun? Sino yun siya? Sino siya? Anyways. Ay, ano pala? Payuki. Payuki yun. Let's go. Yes, our trip! Thailand! Let's go! Born now! I love This is like Eskimo. Eskimo is a power that just has everything. Everything off. Wala pa akong matawag. So anyway, and a picture. Picture na. Picture. We're here na. And so here naman papapalit si Apple ng dollars. $11 allowance namin. Uncle. Okay, everybody's here. Let's go. Ayan, natin si Apple. Ang aming van. Parang grab, pero van. Stop lahat. Ito, sala ko yan, 6. Yes. The van. Ay, ito. Uli na. Go first. Alright, let's go. Going now. It's our hotel. Yeah. So, look at the van. So nice. Hello. Ganito na yung mga element ng mga van. Yes. Ganda. Welcome to Thailand. Yes. Woohoo! Going to hotel. Let's go. VIP. Ano namin, artist. Marconi Calinas. Do you know Marconi Calinas? The famous Marconi Calinas. Hello.
Cross-vlogging tayo
crossover.
ngayon. Yes.
Yes.
Cancel daw.
Di ba sinabi sa ako pala si Ate Pat?
So, dito na kami sa Bangkok and I'm so happy that we got your safe and sound.
Very VIP.
Dito kami sa van.
Very artista pa.
I know.
Artista.
Hello. And then, oh my gosh, it's 15
Very
minutes
cheap.
to our hotel
And
from the
very
airport.
cheap for a van.
Correct. Pero if you're traveling on a budget, syempre, hindi recommend. Marami naman kami.
Yes.
So this is sweet.
For family.
For family as well.
Yes.
Ayun. For family, at saka siya. Ay,
Isang ano. Ito na si Ate Pat.
alam niyo ba na right hand drive pala dito sa Thailand? I didn't know that. Yeah. So medyo nandidis-orient.
Yes.
Kasi nasa left kami.
Yeah. Oo.
Freeway. Oh, shout out na kay Zaiki Mojado.
Singapore
Next time, promise. I promise.
Singapore daw.
Ayun na. See you at the hotel.
We're now here at our hotel. So let's go. Checking in our hotel. And ano muna kami, check in and then we'll have our lunch. Thai food lunch. So let's go. Bali ang hotel. Ito ang pangalan ng hotel.
Actually, sa pamilya nito.
Panarin. Paganda na. Of course, ayan. We're here at the hotel. Oh, finally. Malamig. Woo! Okay. Yes. Finally, lamig. Yeah. You're here. Oh, look. The hotel lobby. Yes. Check in.
2 p.m.
Yeah, it's still
An hour early.
yes, 1. So we're gonna find a place to eat muna. Mainit sis. Oh, pasyal lang. Oh, tour lang around the Panaray Hotel. Oh, look. Salad. Wow. Look at our room. So nice. I'll give you a quick room tour. Yes. And look at the bathroom. Wow, my bathtub. So nice. And of course, our panoramic view. Look at that. So nice. Panoramic view. Yes. It's our family room. Yes. Nice. Diba? Perfect for families. Perfect for us. Ayan. Let's go. Ayan, tama-tama. Yes, representing House of Musa. And of course, our artists. Yes, Pancaridas guys. And Mamu. Yes. And of course, may isa pang CR guys. Ganda ng CR, oh. Yes. Yes. Look. So nice. Yes! Oh, here's our room for toilet! Mamu, Mamu! Mamu, ano masarap ni Mamu? Oh, kaya na. So, yes! Yes! So, okay, sama-sama guys! We're gonna explore Bangkok today! Let's go! So, we're lunch na! Let's go! Okay, so I'm here na sa pool ng Panaray Hotel. Oh, look at the rooftop. Look at the view. And here's the pool. Oh, so nice. Love it. Rooftop view ng pool. Oh, there's a steam room. Oh, so nice. Pwede mag-steam. Sauna. Love it. So nice and so peaceful ng hotel here. And malinis rin siya. Yes. Ayan. Oh, look at the pool. Here. So nice. Okay, baka mag-steam ako. Mainit pa. So yeah, Panaray Hotel. Lapit lang siya sa mga kainan sa labas. Ayan. So nice. The view. Parang Makati vibes. Yes. So yeah, that's it. We're gonna eat lunch. Walk trip lang kami. 3-minute walk. Mainit lang yung weather dito, parang sa Manila lang. Sobrang init. Kaya sando lang tayo. Okay, dito na kami. Kain. For lunch.
First lunch here in
time. Yes. Wow. Dito daw si Nani Makita. Ayan. So the lunch here. Yes.
This is the menu.
Food. It's called Baan. Sawadik ka, kapon ka, kapon ka na kadiliman. Authentic Thai food. Our first Thai food for our day 1. Thai foods. Yes, sir. Let's go. Init na ulo niyan. So, yeah. Welcome. Oh, so nice. Welcome. Okay. Look at that. Inside. Okay, malamig-lamig. Oh, finally. There ka na. It's our first time here.
Manghang yan ah.
Ayan ako, pwede na. Oo, ma'am.
Walang
Maganda
kanya,
na.
Uncle,
Yes. Maganda ka rin.
Tamari, and Mami. Yes. So,
Good na lunch.
quick lunch, first meal. Yes. Fam.
Starting with the food now.
Yes, ayan. Ano? Sige. Ayun, ito. Tingnan natin yung mga mahilig sa mga kulto. Wala na yan. Grabe yung sili. Sabay salad, guys. Grabe yung sili niyo, no? Natetest ang ating spicy. Ang sobra. How's the food? Super spicy. Super spicy. Ito. Wow, ang anghang. Yung papaya salad nga. Yung papaya salad ni Mama. Ang anghang yan. Tingnan lang. Meron. Ayun na. How's the spiciness? Spicy level? Kaya ba?
People love spicy food, seriously.
Yeah.
Kahit ang sabi namin, but my coffee.
Grabe. Amo, naiyak na. Natatouch ka ba, Mamu? Naiiyak na. Sobra. Naiiyak na sa sarap. At sa anghang.
It's delicious.
Yes.
Masarap to. Yan.
Too much daw, masarap. Ooh, yes. Yeah. And spring rolls. Lumpia.
My first time trying mango sticky rice. Authentic ba? I like to go
Yes, di ba?
Lucky you.
At least. Masarap.
It's delicious. The mango is good.
sarap.
Refreshing.
There's some saltiness and sweetness.
I'll get barbecue rice. Fresh ng mango. Parang biko.
But you know what?
You don't
It's good food. It's delicious. So they make it up for the goodness of it.
Ayun guys, sa 7-Eleven kami. Ang daming food choices. Ayun o, busog ka na. Kahit mag 7-Eleven ka. May healthy options sila here. Salads, rice. Ooh, mga ganito sila. Oh, what's that?
And coffee.
Gano'n?
Ay, na.
Okay. Yung mga kakaiba. Try natin yung mga kakaiba.
Ang dalawa lang yan.
Tinitikman, malaki kakaiba. Try mo pa. Oh, ayun, mas maliit. Coffee ka, Uncle. Sarap ng coffee nila. How much is that size? 50 ja. Mas masarap. Mas mura. Ayan. Meron pa na din ang kanina? Or meron pa? Oo, mas lang tayo. So, mura. Oo. Sa kabila ng coffee nila.
Solid quality.
Sarap namin choices here. Yes. Okay, explore muna kami. Streets of Thailand. Ayan.
We're now in Rangnam Alley.
Rang now.
Yes.
Ayun, no? Ano nila? Para kami nasa may bandang UFC. UFC or mga sa kanila.
They say this is where locals eat. Yes.
Oh, ano is that?
So street
Hi,
food.
vlog! Ayan! Mangga! Ayun, ano to? What's this? What's this? Sorry? Apple.
So something apple.
Magkano? Okay na lang. How much? 30.
25.
Ah,
450.
Pag lang din eh.
one only? 25? Okay, 25. Taste test na mangga nila. Ang difference sa mangga nila.
tayo. Thai mango. With the salt. Spicy salt.
Cooler? Nahanap ko yung style.
Duga na may sili.
Nahanap ko yung alat eh.
Sinasabi ko, yes ma.
Matamit siya guys.
Ang isang hang. Ito. May sili.
Cheers! Ayun, spicy, sweet spicy.
Ayun.
Ayun!
Spencer yun. Yun na lang.
Wow, guys! Ang anghang. Kailangan ice cream. Sarap, bunga. Sarap na. Sauce jam, sarap.
Ano sa sili kayo?
Okay, we're going to Chinatown. Trip kami tonight. Yes. Nag-sing na kami. 8 p.m. na. For our day 1. Alright, cheers sa Grab. Okay, we're now here. Chinatown. Welcome to Vision Alley. Ano, tara.
Tara. Ito, we're here in
Chinatown!
Hong. Ayan.
We're gonna have food trip!
Street foods, guys. So, samahan nyo kami. Ayan, lahat with family.
Yes, yes. Hanap tayo ng food trip.
Ayan. Food trip tayo
Ayan.
ngayon.
Hanap tayo ng... Tara!
Wow, let's go, guys. Try tayo in Chinatown. Yeah, what up? Yeah, what up? Mga taxi nila dito, ang ganda pa kasi color, speed, makikita talaga. Paano sa inyo? Yan. And there's tuk-tuk. Daming street foods. Oh. Ano sabi mo, Tita Marvin? Ano na tani? Nakatani, bigay ka pa. Dami ko ni. Oh yeah, crispy pork. Ayan. Lagi kong napapanood sa mga ano.
Tawag mic tayo.
Napapanood sa...
Oh, favorite niya ate oh. Crispy. Ayan, crispy ano. 60 baht only. So it's 120 pesos. Lychee. 40 pesos. So lychee. Sticky rice. Yes, ayan. Naghanap kami ng food to eat. Nag-explore kami ng mga kakaibang street food. Alam ko dito rin yung mga parang insects. Gusto ko yung mga kakaiba. Oh, grabe. Ate, ito try ni ate to. Sobrang spicy oh. Grabe, nasa si ate. Spicy, nasa si ate. Grabe yun. Sobrang spicy. I'm gonna try that. So spicy. Ay, look. Mukhang masarap. Grabe. This one. Trying the octopus stick. Ooh. 60. 60, Maria. 60 baht. It's 60 baht. We're just gonna try. Ah, yun yung hinahalo. Ay, masarap. Hindi the spicy. Woo! Grabe ang hangin, no? Sobra na ang hangin. What is this? Yes. Spicy. Thank you. Kapag ka. Woo! Spicy. Try natin. I'm gonna try. Grabe yung ano. Tayo. Try it. Tikman na natin. Okay, we're gonna try. Wow. First bite. Thank you, Lord. Oh my God. Wow. Sarap. Sarap ng sauce. Pero pa. Oh. Panghang. Grabe yung sili, oh. Oh. Ang sarap. Yun. Napayak. Octopus. Stick. May fresh ano. Iyak. Crayola. Dami namin iyak dito sa Thailand. Nakakaying dahil sa pagkaanghang. Pero ang sarap. Ay, ma-joy try.
Ulit lang.
May video ka.
Tara, empty pa. Huwag na sunod-sunod. Mga.
Steak, saka yun, ako 7. Kasi sobra. Hindi naman tayo sa mga pero masarap. Yes. Octopus stick. Ang anghang. Kailangan ice cream.
Ito, coconut ice cream.
20 baht, 20 baht. Dahil ang anghang, kailangan namin ng pampa. Kasi ko naman yung green. 20 yan.
20.
It's 40 pesos. 20 baht.
20 baht is like 40 pesos.
Sorbetes. Para mabalance ang anghang. Grabing kaanghangan to. Sarap.
Sinamahan ng sticker.
Hindi, sauce, coconut sauce, chocolate sauce.
Yeah. Chocolate, alin? Coconut. Coconut.
Try the coconut.
Yeah.
Yay!
Thank you.
Tapos na. Try. Aja.
Try tatlo.
Aja. Manatid ka dyan. Right.
Yeah, try natin.
Let's try coconut ice cream. Aja. Sarap. Nabalance yung anghang. Yeah.
Coconut ice cream.
Ay, salamat.
Tayo video.
Vlog! Food trip! Chinatown food trip! Salamat. Kaya kapag
Ang neto eh.
kaya kailangan ng ice cream.
Puti pa tayo. Mura lang.
Let's go. Yung sarap. Dapat small lang eh, para matikman lang. Kaso 100. Tita mo.
Crispy.
Oo, yung naka-ano pa. Isang buo.
Bili si Jaja ng ano eh. Ang crispy pork. Tama, si Jaja. Yan, natatry mo dyan. Crispy pork. Yun na, yun yung
Crispy nila. Ayun o. Pakita mo yung ano.
Nice.
120 ba?
Make it crispy.
We're gonna try crispy pork belly. No? Hindi ka na. Locals. Sarap at sila. Make it crispy. Crispy pork. Belly. Yun o. Tatakap na yung shell. Gusto niyan crispy. So hot. So, ito na. Datikman na natin. Crispy pork belly. Tignan natin. Taste test. Kung gaano ka crispy. Woo! Tignan natin. Thank you. Let's try it. Let's go.
Guys, tikman na natin tong crispy pork. So, crispy pork. Sauce, and
Fries. Dito tayo dito.
vlog.
Right. Dito. First try.
Gonna try crispy pork.
Ano to, must try daw in Thailand. Ay! Ang harap. Sarap na. Sauce jam, sarap.
Ano sa sindi bread?
So good! Sarap ng sauce. Ito, isang sauce. Try natin.
Pwede ko sama. Pwede pagsama. Sarap.
Pagsama. Ito muna. Solid to. Ito parang ano, choy. Parang choy, ano siya. Ay. Good, crispy pork. With free steam rice kami. Probably 120 baht.
120 ba? Like 240 pesos. Pero ito mo, tatlo na kami dito.
Ang sarap ng sauce.
Sarap ng ano. Hindi nakikita yung local.
Sabong siya pero solid. Pagsama naman. Pagsama yung sauce. Rating. 10 or 9? 9 over 10. Or 10. Top. Fish mo. Akin pala to eh. What's this? Oh. Ano? Fish mo?
Wow naman.
Mau yarn, mau. Ayan o. Ito sa iso. Ito 40. Ay, the 50 din. How small? Ayan, tikman naman natin. Ito yun guys.
Pomegranate daw. Yung ito siya, fresh pomegranate. Fresh. Ay, yung
Ito siya.
nila. Ayan, let's go. Tingnan lang natin.
Fresh. After namin ng crispy pork belly, kailangan namin ng fresh. Parang grapes or
Wala sigurong additives kasi. Sarap naman. Okay lang. Fresh. Fruits talaga.
Refreshing. Oo.
Walang halo eh.
May pomegranate.
Yung lasa, hindi familiar. Tsaka hindi, wala namang pomegranate sa atin kasi.
First time natin mag-try lang. Parang sarap.
Pure juice
Refreshing.
talaga. Juice lang talaga yung meron sa atin na pomegranate, walang fruit. Unless yung mga ano siguro, imported, di ba? Ito, yun yung lasa niya.
Very fresh. Kita-kita na. Sarap.
Ayan, bidyon mo sila, mas madami.
Ito rin, dito pala tayo kanina. We tried octopus squid. Sarap. Spicy. Wow. Sarap. Yes. Food crawl. Yes. Nag-try din. How's the crispy pork belly nila, Uncle? Yes. Delicious rin na-try namin. Yes. Love it. We love crispy pork belly.
Then we have the grilled mushroom here. You guys have to
Not yet. Try it.
Then the chicken.
Favorite ang ano. Ito sis, try natin. Wow. Yeah, try it. Ito sis, ayan natin. Mushroom.
Mushroom, yeah.
Ang gagawin nila, Mel. Ang gula ko kanina.
Parang merong tahini.
Sarap. Sarap yung mga sauce nila.
Sugar. This is sugar.
Like the sauce.
So, how's experience?
Sarap. Yes. Yung mga must try nila. Ito, yung spice. Ito ang tayo. Grabe. Spicy. Yes. Kaya ang sarap. Try it. Yung sweet nila.
Yeah, ano tayo na?
Shrimp? Laki ng shrimp. Wow. So mine is shrimp. Sarap ang laki ng shrimp. Hindi puro breading. Ayan. Try naman nila Uncle.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mix.
Ayan, coconut ice cream. Kasi ako din, try ito. Try it, Uncle, the coconut ice cream. Hindi kasi, yung ano po. Okay. Refreshing. Yes, sarap. I'm gonna try it with, mango.
Good naman.
Opo.
Grabe na sila. Walang ito, steak lang. Yoda dumpling.
The dumpling, laki ng dumpling nila.
Yoda dumpling. Di ba? May lasang shrimp. Di ba may lasang shrimp siya?
Oh, yes, sir.
Parang may pork na may shrimp. Diba? How much is the challenge?
Challenge kami, Uncle! Mix. Oh my God! Uncle, we're gonna try it. Ay, bango.
Yes. Okay, come here. Right now.
Okay. We're gonna try. Dapat parang kitinitin mo. Pipikit ka lang, pipikit. Tama, may ganyan. It's like eating gano'n. Ay, the worm. Sabay-sabay. And cheers! Cheers! Oh my God!
What does it taste like?
It's like ano, mani.
Oo, mani. Huwag kang titingnan. Huwag may setting na yung itsura. Ito naman.
Or what I get back? What?
What's good? What now?
Cheers!
Oh my god.
Hangin lang yung loob. Pag inisip mo kasi, yung kinain mo.
Start chewing gum.
Parang makin.
Ito malaki eh. Ito malaki. Ano na?
Tayo na.
Babalik na si Cora.
Iipis pa, iipis.
Ah, okay. Go, ikanti. Tayo mo na lahat eh. Dali, ito mo ata. Tayo mo na. Suka na lang. Dali, tayo mo na. Hindi ako sa ginagawa mo. Tayo mo na lahat. Tayo mo kumakain eh. Ibis naman daw siya.
Saan?
Dali, dali. Ayan, ayan. Cricket, nakakain ka na? Yan. Modalaw. Sabay mo na, combo mo na. Pakaisahan na lang. Dali na. One. Ayan, ayan. Grabe si Bowie. Wait lang, makaling ako. Okay.
Ready?
Ano, masarap. Masarap. Ayun, si Tita Marvin, dami. Ang dami.
Huwag talaga titignan. Pag nakakagat mo, okay yung ibis. Oo, crispy, parang ano siya.
Ano ibis? Nasaan? Ayan, yan. Ay, huwag lang ibis.
Wag lang talaga titignan. Dapat pala bumibigit. Dapat
Ayan.
Yo, kadiri. Dali. Di ba, ay? Kaya.
Hindi ko kaya.
Nasuka na lang. Okay na.
Pwede ka ito.
Na ano? Babaliktad ka akin, babaliktad. Good luck mo,
Okay.
Marvin.
Okay, summary. What do you think?
Yes. Sarap yun. So far. Experience pwede na. For the experience, overall. Sabi mo, kumain ka ng ganito, kumain ka. I think you have the cash and you're brave enough to keep those insects where you can find on old houses.
So now we know, Mother, yung mga alaga mo sa condo, pwede naman ang iprito kay mo. Alright, congratulations, sir. That's a wrap for tonight. And
It's a wrap now.
that's a good way to end the first night here in Bangkok with exotic food. Yeah, congratulations, Moe. You're amazing.
Para sa inyo yun. Hi guys.
Para sa inyo yun, friend.
Pwede mag-subscribe.
Bye.